saying walk away today. Walk away now. So thanks for that, guys.
VVOS. GDHG.
Looking for potential entry. I was watching that. I was thinking, yeah, 1250. I think it might be worthwhile breaking out of the
VVOS.
range.
VVOS. 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 VIVI. VVOS. 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 VIVI. VVOS.
I'm just going to lock that in. Help it.
Order
There you go,
cancelled.
another 1200 bucks locked in. Cheers, thank you very much. Cheers, easy.
VIVI. VIVI.
Rejected at 14. Hey, for all of those that said, which was apparently 60% of you, lock it down. That's 1200 bucks that I wouldn't have had. Lock it down, or lock it down till the open. Yeah, you're not much help, Vegas, but you have a company, so that's both, you know, there's that to it.
VIVI. 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 VIVI.
I don't know what's going on with my scanner at the minute, so I just need to refresh my page.
VIVI. 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 VVOS. 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 VIVI. VVOS. VIVI. 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 VVOS. VIVI. VVOS. VVOS. VIVI. VVOS. VMEA. VIVI. VMEA. VIVI. 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 VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Have I tried trailing without a trading stop before? Every time I trade pre-market or end. There's no trailing stop for pre-market. There's no stop losses pre-market, but that's a stop.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Oh, what's going on with that music? Range.
Bion, VVOS. VIVI, 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 VMEA, VVOS, 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 VMEA, 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 VMEA. VVOS, 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 CLCO, VVOS, 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 VVOS. VIVI.
VVOS, VVOS, above the VWAP, still in play.
VVOS.
I said that when everyone's like, oh, look at that, it's selling off. Like, it's above the VWAP, still in play. Okay, we'll scan it over, and then we'll see what the market gives us. Let's see what the market gives us, guys. Let's see. PSRI halted. Yesterday's IPO we pushed to today. FVBO, we'll keep an eye on that. We've got Foot Locker. Good earnings. That's moved up well. Still looks like it's still moving up. Oh, Foot Locker still moving up at the open. Foot Locker very strong. GameStop, interesting. Yeah, Foot Locker's looking very nice. I've got to be honest. I'm a big fan of sport shoes. Got a nice, healthy collection.
VVOS, 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 VVOS. VVOS, 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 VVOS,
30% trailing stop. Let's see where that takes us. Risking $750 on it.
VVOS.
It is, that is the range, 30 cents is the ATR. So I'm just putting a 30-cent trailing stop on there and see what that gives us on Foot Locker.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
GameStop. Wow, GameStop is over 1630s.
VVOS. 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 SYVOS. VVOS. VVOS. VVOS.
Big pullback on GameStop. Now it's back under $16. So from up to $16.40. There's a good whole dollar move up in that opening 5 minutes on GameStop, GME.
VVOS.
And then a
VVOS.
whole dollar move up and a 60-cent retracement. So GameStop looking very volatile, guys. Just be careful, mind your risk, mind your risk, guys.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
But look, it doesn't look like it's breaking out like I thought. I thought we were going to hit the $0.50 after 28. $28.24 in the high of the day. So 27.90. 28. We're inching closer and closer to a profitable trade. Foot Locker.
VVOS.
I'm at 28.13, so I need to be 28.50 really for this to be profitable. Guaranteed profitability.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Yeah, well, Cal, you know that's sensible,
VVOS.
but you can miss a big move there as well.
VVOS.
Oh well, this is a profitable trade now on Foot Locker. I'm just going to leave that in there.
VVOS.
I can be relaxed with my trading there.
VVOS.
Just leave that 30-cent trailing stop in place, and I've made 7 cents at the moment. I'm counting.
VVOS.
2,500 shares, 7 cents. That's not bad.
VVOS.
$150 now that it's 10 cents.
VVOS. VVOS.
13 cents. So
VVOS.
we've got our 10 cents.
VVOS.
Every move I look for at least 10 cents. And there you go. I got 13.
VVOS.
Oh, happy days. I got more than 13. I got $325 out of that. Happy
VVOS.
days. But I got the full. I got 17 cents on that. Foot Locker will continue, but next to 325 bucks, basics.
GLBS.
VVOS still in contention, just choppy sideways at the moment. Oh, hang on a minute. Nvidia breaking highs. Nvidia really breaking highs. You love to see it. SMCI, Unity. So, looks like another bullish day on the stock market. Nasdaq almost a whole % up already.
VVOS.
The Russell Index.
VVOS.
Russell Index is,
VVOS.
the Russell 2000 is currently 1.3% up on the day. For an index, that's huge. It really is, 1.3%. The S&P 500, 0.2%, looking very, very bullish. And closing in on that 2023 high, as I say. On the daily, 2023 high, 459.44. So we're at 457. Can it continue up? It's 459.40. What's that number? 459.44.
VVOS. VVOS, 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 VVOS.
RDHL back above the VWAP.
VVOS, VVOS.
Now we're back above the VWAP.
VVOS.
Just briefly.
VVOS, VVOS, VVOS.
And then
VVOS.
slam. 50 cents. Ouch. Nothing sustaining, guys. Yoshiharu Global is halted to the upside. Should resume in just over a minute's time. AMD breaking highs.
ATMV, 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 ATMV.
Loving NVIDIA up there testing the high 480s again. That'd be nice to get back into 490s, over 500. Would be nice. Amazon up as well for 148 plus, breaking 148. So Amazon, so the high caps are looking very tasty now.
VVOS. VVOS.
Let's have a look.
VVOS.
Where does this resume?
VVOS. Cock. VVOS.
So it should resume. It has done. Yoshiharu Global.
VVOS. VVOS. VVOS.
What's the catalyst on Yoshiharu Global?
VVOS. Cock. VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Duo taking off.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Sneeze. Oh, excuse me.
VVOS. 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 VTVT.
Okay.
VTVT.
I don't know why that's the case.
VTVT. VTVT. VVOS. VVOS.
Who the hell is RT?
VVOS. 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 VIVI. VIVI. VVOS. VIVI. VVOS. 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 VVIVI. VIVI. VVOS. VVOS, VVOS, VIVI, VVOS, VVOS. QOMO. VTVT. VVOS. VVOS.
Isn't that the truth?
VVOS.
What else are you watching, guys? So just
VVOS. VVOS.
got a resumption on
VVOS.
VVOS. It didn't gap down that much that I thought it was going to. I did expect some volatility hunts on this when it starts. Volatility halt when it starts to get moving.
VVOS.
Let me know what you're watching.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
PV, reversal.
DTST.
Yeah,
CFFS.
actually.
CFFS. CFFS. CFFS.
XNRA, I don't like it.
CFFS. CFFS. CFFS.
So NanoX had earnings yesterday.
CFFS. CFFS.
Hold off hard in pre-market.
CFFS.
The result.
CFFS. 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 VVOS. VVOS. VVOS.
Yeah, if we can get back over $12, VVOS might be interesting. Retest the highs.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Maybe even do a bit of a inverse head and shoulders on the VWAP. Would be nice. Shoulder on a VWAP, head below, then dip and do another shoulder on a VWAP before taking off. Still want to see the new high of day though. Well, whoever said pin duo gave it the curse.
VVOS. VVOS.
So maybe short the hell out of it.
VVOS.
Pin duo.
VVOS. 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 VVOS.
Yeah, but back over $12, I think VVOS over $12 is interesting. Until it gets over the VWAP, it's certainly not.
VVOS.
Let's have a quick look at VVOS and how it's playing out. It's not
VVOS.
not even remotely interesting underneath the VWAP, under 1150.
VVOS.
I don't think I'd touch it below 12. Are you saying that if this comes back down towards 1050, then back up and breaks the VWAP, you've got a nice double bottom type setup there, which could be of interest? You know, take the VWAP, appreciate the VWAP, 50 cents. Stop loss, 75% stop loss, size accordingly.
GB, ABO, GB. VVOS.
Just wait for anything that's going to move now, I guess. We'll keep an eye out.
VVOS. GB.
BIVI,
VVOS.
BioV is a top momentum stock to the upside. It's under $2, so I'm not trading it, but that's the top momentum stock to the upside right now. Let's have a quick look at BioV, because I know some of you like these lower price stocks. I'm not a big fan, but some of you like these lower price stocks. It's a reversal, a bottom bounce. If you like these low price stocks, it doesn't have great range. It's 6.5 cents, and the spreads 2 or 3 cents. So just be wary of that. Is the top momentum stock right now to the upside. Of course, we've got fusion fuel, H2O, HTOO even. No volume on that one, so not doing that one. But just in case of sit on your hands now, guys. An 8K day locked in. I think I'll wait for a solid move or nothing at all right now. I want to see if this reverses here
VVOS.
at the low,
VVOS.
and we get a double bottom,
VVOS.
W shape. So
VVOS.
the breakout will be above the VWAP. We're actually going to break down. So it looks like, I mean, it's still 130% up on the day, you know, so it's still high up on the day, but it looks like we've We've topped out pre-market, and if you look at it from a 5-minute perspective, there's a big M pattern there as well on the 5-minute. So the higher time frames tend to be more reliable when you're looking for pattern breakouts, and there's a big M pattern there for that breakdown. So that's now looking unsurprising.
AEHL, AEHL, AEHL.
Is anybody watching something else? Anybody watching anything else?
AEHL.
The S&P 500 breaking highs. SPY.
AEHL.
You'd love to see it. Nvidia, 1.8% up on the day. You love to see it. You do love to see it. Who was it that asked me what I would invest in if I was 19 and for the nephew or the son or whatever it was? PQQQ. It's already 2.8% up today.
Gate.
ATXI, go on, have a look at that for you, Puno.
GLBS.
ATXI, 29 cents. I know, look, I don't touch these penny stocks, as you know, but you like throwing good money after bad, so it's up 50% on the day. Below the VWAP, I wouldn't go long on this personally, but look, you boo-boo, not financial advice. I wouldn't trade anyway. Avenue Therapeutics, I wouldn't touch it with Alistair's account because, quite frankly, I don't touch anything under $2 normally, not unless it's really exciting, but it looks like it's going to break $3. So I don't like to trade anything under $2. At 30 cents, this is just very choppy. Just be careful with that one.
VVOS.
And on the other side,
on the 2-minute, nice hammer candle, bullish hammer candle there on VVOS. It's still below the VWAP, so I want to see a nice turn, get back over the VWAP. It's testing $11. Let's see. Will it come good? Not sure it will, but we'll see. In just 2 weeks. How much did you put in that one, Ian? A grand, $2,000, how much did you put in? Probably even before that.
VVOS. VVOS, 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 cock. VVOS, cock, VVOS, VVOS, VVOS,
level 1305, so 12,
cock,
50.
VVOS, 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 VVOS,
Higher discount, 1220,
VVOS, VVOS, cock, VVOS, cock, VVOS, VVOS, cock, VVOS, VVOS, cock, VVOS, cock, VVOS, VVOS,
Consumption is actually 1160,
VVOS,
1186. It's a good decent gap up. Still 55 cents on the 1-minute ATR. Still, wow, almost as a whole dollar. Well, it is a whole dollar in 2 minutes. 1191 to 1112 on this candle. What's up? Yeah, 80 odd cents.
VVOS, 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 cock, VVOS, VVOS, cock, VVOS, VVOS, cock, VVOS, VVOS.
Well, I hope you took some profits there, Vols. Hope you managed to take some profits. Tell you what, Ian, though, 50% up in 2 weeks. That is wonderful start to his investing life. He's investing 300 a month in the T-triple-Qs there, Willy Wonka.
VVOS, 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 VVOS.
So it's an index-linked ETF. It's a leveraged index-linked ETF, and that 300 a month will basically mean that even if it pulls back on a full bear market cycle, that averaging down will stop it going out of business. You know, stop it blowing out of the counter. But it will also be buying to discount and move to new highs.
CFFS.
Nice. Yeah, if you're in your early teens, early 20s, the T-triple-Q is a great ETF to invest in. It's a little bit more volatile than the triple Q. It's cheaper than the triple Q, so you can get more share. And
VVOS,
it's index linked, so in the long term, it's only going to move upwards.
VVOS.
I've been very disciplined. I'm proud of myself.
VVOS, 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 VVOS.
Hope you're all proud of me. I've not locked them on target. I've just been very disciplined.
VVOS, cock, VVOS.
I'll stick around for 25 more minutes to see if there's anything else that moves. But like I say, Ian, if he does it, he's 18. If he does it until he's 30 or 28, if he does it for 10 years, and then just leaves it, doesn't touch it, just does it 300 quid a month for 10 years, and then doesn't do anything else. When he turns 28, he just leaves it there until he's 60, 65. He'll have a nice, healthy retirement sum to retire on. He'll have over $1 million in retirement funds.
Cock, VVOS.
So you just invest $300 a month in the T-triple-Qs, and you'll be a very wealthy person. The objective is to have some consistency and be able to stay afloat. If you can protect your equity, that should be your priority. Don't worry about making millions. Don't worry about kicking in the job and going trading full time. If you're persistent at it and you're consistent with your discipline and your strategy, that will come in its own time. The priority should be to protect your equity at all times. Risk management. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about risk management, and you've got a long way to go, you probably will benefit from getting on the Day Trade with Tony education and learning more about risk management. So, Ed, if you're trading water, that's a big milestone. So you might find yourself behind one day, but you're ahead the next. If you're making incremental gains, small wins, that's even better. But yeah, it sounds like you're turning that corner right there at the right time there, Ed. But keep up with it, buddy. Keep up with it. I'll be back tomorrow, usual time, 8 o'clock. So if you want to join me then, I would appreciate it. And remember, all I'm asking for is a few likes. So come back tomorrow and we do it all over again. Take it easy, guys. Sorry, Fark, I'm just leaving. You've joined at the wrong time.
VTVT, VTVT, MRCC, VTVT, MRCC, VTVT, MRCC, MRCC, VTVT, MRCC, MRCC, VTVT, MRCC, VTVT, VTVT. VVOS, 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 VTVT, VTVT, VVOS, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VVOS. GG, 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 GG. VVOS, 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 GG, VVOS. ATMV. VVOS, 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 GG, VVOS, FNWD. QOMO. VTVT, VVOS, 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 FNWD, FNWD, GG, 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 GG. VVOS, 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 GLBS, GLBS, VVOS, 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 VVOS. YTRA, 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 VVOS, 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 VT, APXI, APXI. VVOS, 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 GGE, VVOS, 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 VVOS. VVOS, 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 spec, VVOS, VVOS, spec, VVOS, 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 spec, VVOS, 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 spec, VVOS, spec, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS. IPDN. VVOS, VVOS, VVOS. VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VTVT. 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 VVOS, 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 VVOS. VVOS, 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 IPDN, IPDN, TROL, TROL, VTVT, 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 TROL, VVOS, 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 FNWD, VVOS, 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 ARS, 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 VVOS, 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 FNWD. VVOS, 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 FNWD, FNWD, VVOS, 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 FNWD, 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 VVOS, FNWD, VVOS, 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 LGST, FNWD, FNWD, VVOS, 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 VTVOS, VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVOS, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VTVT, VVOS, 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 GG, VVOS, GG, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, GG, VTVT, VT, VVOS, VTVT, 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 VVOS, 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 VTVT, VTVT. Max, max. VVOS, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VVOS. VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS. VVOS, 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 VVOS. VVOS, 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 VTVOS, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, 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 VTVT. VTVT, VTVT. VTVT, VVOS, VVOS, VTVT. VVOS, 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 VVOS. VVOS, 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 ICD, ICD, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, 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 VVOS, VVOS, VTVT, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, VTVT, VVOS, 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 VTVT, 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 VVOS, 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 VTVT, VVOS, 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 HAP, HAP, VVOS, 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 RXST VVOS, VVOS. VVOS, 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 CIVB, 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 VVOS, 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 VVOS,